Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon is alarm and scandals in Article 155. So, alarm scandals, it is committed by Paragraph 1. Any person who within any town or public place shall be discharged any firearm, rocket, firecracker, or other explosive calculated to cause alarm or danger. Paragraph 2. Any person who shall instigate or take an active part of any charivari or other disorderly meeting offensive to another or prejudicial to the public tranquility. 3. Any person who while wandering about at night or while engaged in any order nocturnal amusement shall be disturbed the public peace. Or paragraph 4. Any person who while instigated or otherwise shall cause any disturbance or scandals in public places. Alarm and scandal versus discharge or firearm. Although indictment or alarm or scandal filed under the Article 155 or revised penal code, the information or discharge of firearm instituted in Article 258 of the same code of closely related in fact as to apparently arouse from the same factual setting the firing or revolver by the accused being a common elements. They are definitely diverse in the law. Firstly, the two indictments do not describe with the same felony. Alarm and scandal is the offense against public order, while discharge or firearm it is crime against person. Secondly, the indispensable elements of the former crimes are discharge of a firearm calculated to cause alarm or danger to the public, while the gravamen of the latter it is discharge of a firearm against or uncertain person without intent to kill.